You can make a stereo audio signal with brackets. Inside, put the left channel and the right channel separated by a semicolon. X is equal to 500 Hz tone for 1 second with sinusoidal amplitude modulation SAM at 4 Hz with RMS scaled at -10 dB. Y is equal to high-pass filtered noise cut from 1500 Hz scaled at -20 dB. Z is a stereo signal with X and Y for left and right channels. So X semicolon Y. Let's open it and play it. Now, I'm gonna show you how flexible it is to control the signal. First, X and Y don't have to have the same length. We are changing the duration of Y to a half second. Z is the same. See how Z changed? Play. Number 2, not only the different duration, but they can also appear in any time period. Let's make Y begin at 250 millisecond time point. Play. Third, left and right channels can be scaled at different values. X can be negative at 20 dB and Y can be negative at 10 dB. Finally, let's try time indexing with tilde. Let's put a speech sample on the left and AM tone on the right and call it Z. We are opening a mono wave file called AI_real.wave from my hard drive and put it on the left channel. Right channel is the AM tone used earlier. So that's Z now. See how Z changed here?
Artificial intelligence is for real.
If you want to get the signal from 500 milliseconds to 1500 milliseconds, then Z 500 tilde 1500. That's Z2. So open Z2 and play it.
Artificial intelligence